Tengo pánico. Ahí está la computadora del examen. Mini vlog. Como cuando estoy tu amiga y entregaron las notas y la cagaron horrible. ¿Qué hacen? Yo y mi amiga. ¿Qué es lo que yo veo? Yo y mi amiga. Es la única forma de mantenerme mi estabilidad tranquila. A este paso voy a cagarlo.
Las mañanitas que cantaba el rey David, al poder de tus santos te las cantamos así. Despierta, Angel, despierta, mira que ya amaneció, y a los pajaritos cantan, te las cantamos. ¡Feliz cumpleaños! ¡Eh! Se está volviendo viejita, se está volviendo viejita. ¡Ah! Uy, ¿qué haces? ¿La prendo? No la tengo. A ver. Buenos días. Es mi cumpleaños y así es como me desperté. Esto es lo que pasa cuando solo me he desenredado mi pelo, me mal desenredado. Y me voy a dormir. Y no le pongo crema, no le pongo nada. Es mi cumpleaños, es mi cumpleaños. Ahora me voy a bañar y luego le cepillo.
Such a new messiah, cause your theories catch fire. I can't find no silver lining. I don't mean to judge, but when you read your speech, it's tiring. Enough is enough. I'm covering my ears like a kid. When your words mean nothing, I go la la la. I'm turning up the fire when you speak. Cause if my heart can't stop it, I'll find a way to rock it. I go.
Moviendo los kilos y los culos, moviendo los kilos y los culos, moviendo los kilos y los culos. Que levanten la mano los que tengan como bien.
Aquí andamos con el Steven, Gis y Jessica y andamos buscando dónde comer. Me acabo de causar trauma. Qué horror. That a beautiful snow angel.
There's nothing like it, not like the way you move. I can try, but I can't hide it from you.
the camera. Smile.
Didn't even talk. This is me and my sister. Like if we didn't have like 20 missing assignments.
I guess that's life. Okay. Close your eyes.
Say thank you that I buy this to you.
Yeah, my sister is promoting this.
At least I'm not broke. Okay, let me close my eyes.
Okay. You're cheating. I'll close your eyes. Girl, you're cutting
Your turn. And I'm gonna do it really hard.
Oh, that's mean. You're mean. Here you go. I need my straw, of course. Yeah, I'm closing my eyes. See, you can tell I'm closing my eyes. No, you're holding my hair. You're holding
Okay.
I made it.
I did it in the really middle, actually.
You did it. Okay, I know. Yes, you did.
At least I'm not broke. You are.
Cheers. Now I have to do like 20 missing assignments. I only have to say, Tariq, it took you 8 years, babe. How? Why did it take you 8 years? 8 years doing what, huh? You know what? Miss Kylie will owe me therapy after this. I am speechless. I'm speechless. Like, this is the more the pages I have left. And it's clear to me that something will go very wrong because Tariq is here and I still have so many pages left. I still have so many pages left. I'm very concerned about my mental sanity right now. I'm very concerned. Stop. You are telling me. The page. I lost the page. You are telling me Tariq wrote volumes, not once, volumes to Layla. Speechless. Speechless. I am not okay. I'm not. Look at you. What are you doing here, man? Ooh, hello. Say hello, Shady Soda. I don't have a name. Oh, what are you doing between the shoe boxes, ma'am?
Carro. Porque lo dejamos en el mecánico. Ya lo recogí. Claramente no sé manejar. Así que vamos a echarnos un karaoke hasta que mi mamá salga de trabajar. Le vamos a subir porque tengo solo el carro. Mi canción. I saw her in the rightest way, looking like Anne Hathaway, laughing while she lived the red and and then she gave us to my knees, begging, baby, would you please do the things you vamos a hablar de joyas con las que estoy obsesionada. Vamos a empezar con esta que no sale de mi cabeza. Me vería bonita si hoy tuviera un buen outfit, pero no. Vamos a subir la música. Personal se sintió eso. Me asustó un ruido, pero ya está. How can we go back to being friends when we just share a bed? How can you look at me and pretend I'm someone you never met? Back to being friends when we just share a bed. How can you look at me and pretend I'm someone you never met? Mi rola. Mi canción más personal. Oigan, neta, mi canción más personal. La que yo iba a pagar el radio.
BetterHelp Online Therapy bought this ad to
pago-
give
no
you
pago
a minute to breathe in